a review. This review is from, well, it's a company sent me this item from Amazon. It is from a company called Findyouled. I will have all the links that, well, the link to the product down below in the description box. So, funny thing about this is I actually was browsing on Facebook one day when I was in a beauty group, and someone actually asked the question about alternative, you know, as far as lighting with filming and recording. So someone responded to her in the beauty group and actually linked this exact product in the posting, and I happened to click on it. So when I clicked on it, it led me to Amazon, and it led me to this specific item. So mind you, this was the day before. So the next day, I received a package on my doorstep. I had no idea it was even coming, because this item was sent to me for free. And when I opened it, it was the exact same vanity lighting that I seen in the makeup group. And I was just so excited and so happy because I was actually going to buy me one. But I ended up not having to buy one. So I was very, very happy about that. And thank you so much to Findyouled for sending me this, because I'm so glad that I have it. So yeah. So it is the this is the makeup mirror light kit, and it looks like this. I will insert some pictures in this video. So you can get a better look of what this looks like. But all you do is just you take it and you stick it around your vanity mirror, whatever vanity mirror you use, and you can stick it around it. It has 3mm sticky tape on the back of each set of lights, so you don't have to worry about having to nail something or tack anything, you know, anything of that nature. But this, it all came with, it has the adapter, it has this switch here is what controls the light. You can use this switch to click it on and off, and excuse my nails, y'all, but you can use this switch to click it on and off, and you also can use it to dim the lights as well. So this item has a 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon.com. It retails for $19.45, which is an awesome price for this set of lights, because of the fact that they last for 10+ years, y'all. So that is a deal out of this world. They're easy to install, like I said, because each light, and here's the adapter here. But they are so easy to install because each light has the sticky back, in which you can stick to anything. And I did read over some reviews as well, and the reviews state that they do, you know, it doesn't mess up any type of surface or anything like that. So this is what this sticky tape looks like on the back, and then you have the lights here. So it is a total of 60 lights or 60 pieces on this cord. The length of this cord is a 10-foot. This is a 10-foot cord, and it also stated that you can cut this cord and it won't mess it up. Me personally, I'm not going to cut it because I'm going to be mad if I end up screwing something up, y'all. But it does state on the website that you can cut the cord to, you know, shorten it, and it is flexible if you want to cut it or shorten to meet your specific needs. And like I said, I did show you the on-off switch here. I'm going to take it out of the pack so you can get a better look at it. And it looks like that. You have your two adapters here. And this piece here just plugs right into the end of that. And then this piece here is where you will plug into, I think this is where, no, not right there. Actually, this end. These two you will plug into each other. And then that right there is where you will plug your actual cord. So yeah. So just wanted to come on here very quick and show you lovies this item before I put them up, because I am about to put them on my mirror. And I'm so happy that I will be able to use them, and so it can give me better lighting when I do my videos and stuff like that, especially my makeup videos, because a lot of times when I do my makeup videos, I'm sitting at my vanity in front of my mirror. I'm not sitting somewhere else in my room where I have my lamps actually facing me and on me. So also another important thing is that they do have ejection covers. As you can see, those clear covers that are covering the actual light. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus. But that clear cover that's covering the actual light, that protects your eyes from the light. Because I was while reading reviews and stuff like that, people did say that these lights are super bright. So yeah, I'm gonna try to insert a picture at the end of this video so y'all lovers can see how they look on my mirror. So yeah, thank you so much once again to Findyouled and Amazon.com for sending me these lights. I will leave the link to these down below in the description box, and do make sure that you use that link because I am affiliated with Amazon.com, and your support really, really helps me. So I thank you all for supporting my channel. I thank you all for tuning in. Please make sure you share this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you babes in the next video. Bye.